now. Come in afraid. Will you please ask this officer what kind of ticket he's going to give to me? The light was on red, and this officer stopped in the road, and I want to drive him car. And me tap my car, my hand 2 times. Burp, burp, and the officer pulled me over, and he's going to give me a ticket. So officer, what am I getting a ticket for? Because you stop on the red light, and me blow the horn and ask if you're not going to drive. And you pull me over, and you take my license, and you're giving me a ticket for what, officer? What are you giving me a ticket for? Okay, okay. Easy what? I picked up me, I put this pan. Me I put this pan, yo, the man stop, pan the light, and the light. Him stop pan the light. Alright, yo, me general. The man stop pan the light, now me general. And the light turn green. The light turn green, and I blow the officer 2 times. Yo, how would it? A Fraser. Talk to me, Fraser. Come on, when they're on the Fraser. The man want to give me ticket. The man they're on the light. And I blow the man 2 times, Fraser. They ask him what happened. And the man pull me over and give me ticket, Fraser. No, Fraser, they're right. Talk to Fraser, you have me brother. Talk to him for me, Fraser. Talk to him. Because I'm Fraser, but I don't know that far. I don't know that far. No understand, no fear. Evening rush, I know we are taxi man and we are trying to have a food for the evening rush. Listen, the man stop. They'll drive me go to Wagwan. In a fear for you to give me a ticket. In a fear for you to give me a ticket. Not no fear for you to give me a ticket, bossy.
Outside tickets, I say. You're 47 tickets actually show up.
All of them that I go court for, you can't check the whole of them, they just go court.
So you must say, you still live by exchange?
Still live by exchange.
You're driving on the station, so I'll verify warrant them here. Right them about the station.
Bossy, it's not up on your phone. It's not up on your phone. Outstanding ticket, what go to court for? What go to court for? But you can't take my license, you're not supposed to take my license. You're not supposed to take my license. You're not supposed to take my license. You see police like you, man. You see police like you. The man take my license now and go with my license. The man take my license and go with my license. Eh?